Sunday, May 30th, 2021. Let's get started. I'm adding the blackwood mulch to the backyard. I have to move the lounger fountain. Wait a minute. Here go my rose bushes. Look good so far. Have to move the table and chairs, the grill. Gotta move it. Here's my other rose bush. I like them. Think they'll do well. So all this so I can start putting the mulch down. Fresh mulch will be added over here too by the fence. Have to do it all the way down. It's gonna look great. Everything is out the way. Now I can get started. First, I'll take my rake and get some of the bad mulch up. Look what I found, a garden fabric staple. This is a good sign. Out with the old and in with the new real soon. I also pulled some weeds. I want this area as clear as possible. Done with this phase. On to the next. I'm so grateful for this cart. You guys have no idea. All right, ready for the new mulch. Instead of one at a time, I just bring them all out. It's like a 1, 2, 3 step process here. Open them up, flip them over, dump them out. Simple. Nothing special about this. I just take the rake and level the mulch as best as I can. 3 bags in this area. Looks good so far. I'll just keep working until the very end. Not quite finished, but already I can see the difference. I really like what I see. Nothing like fresh mulch. It still needs something. Not here. Maybe over here somewhere. Since I put down some fresh mulch, might as well put down some fresh garden soil for the rose bushes. I'm done here. I put everything back. Moving right along. Pretty much repeating the steps again. Taking the old mulch out. And I'll be doing this all the way down to the end. I'll pick this stuff up. I don't want it in my way when I'm working. Only thing about doing all this is my allergies kill me. Can anybody recommend something I can take for this pollen? Time to add the new edger and some of the old ones. In my opinion, this is probably the easiest part. I ran into a bit of a problem, nothing major, but I'm using pieces from my 30-foot no-dig edger and I'm connecting them to the 25-foot edger. It doesn't look right. And I ran out of mulch, so I think I might have to suspend this part of the project until some other time. You guys should know by now, I can't put this off. What I can do is go get some mulch, 2 more landscape no-dig edgers, and finish this part. Let's go to the store. Trust me, I'll be in and out. I got everything, but I'm tired. Let's go. Okay, we're back. Let's finish this up. Not a fan of how this looks, but it'll work for now. I tried forcing this edger in, but the post here won't let me do so. I might have to cut it. I'll figure out something. Cutting the edger doesn't really disrupt the flow of things. I can do something about this. So I'll keep going all the way down. It's in and things are really starting to shape up. Time to add some black gold. Things turned out okay. Now I just have to clean up a bit. Put the finishing touches on everything. This turned out well. Actually, not bad at all. I covered the posts with mulch. The only issue I have is the connector down here. Eventually, I'll pull up these edges and install a longer one so I don't have to worry about the cuts. But this isn't too noticeable. I can live with it. Overall, looks great. Really good. You know the motto. Take care of your families. Take care of your bodies. Take care of your lawns too. Bye.